The Either-Or Investor: How to Succeed in Global Investing, One Decision at a Time. By Clark Winter. Narrated by Stephen Hoye. Copyright 2008 by Clark Winter. This unabridged audiobook is published by arrangement with Random House, an imprint of the Random House Publishing Group, a division of Random House, Inc., and was produced in the year 2008 by Tantor Media, Incorporated, which holds the copyright thereto. Preface. The Either-Or Investor is a book I have now written 3 times. The first time I wrote it in my head as I gave talks to clients in my own money management business and at Citi Global Wealth Management, where I worked before moving to Goldman Sachs. There are some people who, when they speak, overly complicate matters because they are attempting to impress you with their expertise. I've always been most impressed, though, by those who are able to take really complicated material and make it intelligible to ordinary people, so they can take action on their own and not have to rely upon experts. So as I went around the world speaking with people, I constantly tried to hone my messages. The second time came when I actually sat down to write The Either-Or Investor. I realized that smart people approach problems as dichotomies, either-or decisions. If this, then not that. If yes, if no, then what? It is a sound way to think, and it allowed me to characterize problems in a way that makes sense to investors. But you'll have to be the judge of how successful I've been. The third time I wrote the book was after it was finished and had been sent off to the publisher. The subprime mortgage crisis exploded, and while the book as I had written it turned out to be remarkably prescient in alluding to the problems of easy credit, I decided that allusions are too indirect and permit an author to proclaim success too easily in reading the tea leaves. So I have reworked the book and tried to tackle the credit crisis more directly. When I began writing this work, I organized it to reflect my belief that investors need to remain abreast of a constantly changing world. So must I. Clark Winter, March 2008. Introduction. Why We Are Here. My name is Clark Winter. Over several decades I have worked in the financial services industry, including running my own firm. In my 30 years in the investment industry, I've traded currencies for billionaire hedge fund managers, I've managed portfolios for high net worth clients, I've created my own advisory group to help clients find the best investment advice. I'm confident that I've handled almost every financial instrument, from common stock to currency arbitrage.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?